Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to the blind bearded chef. Happy 46th birthday to me and many more. What's up, y'all? It's August the 29th, my birthday. I've made 46 years old. And I'm in the kitchen because I'm about to make my own birthday cake. Yes, I am. What it's going to be? Since Barry Chantilly is my favorite cake, and I've made that enough, I'm making the chocolate version. So I'm going to do a chocolate Barry Chantilly cake. Yes, I am. With a buttermilk chocolate cake, and I'm going to make the Chantilly frosting or the icing with my cream cheese and my whipped cream and my mascarpone cheese, and it's gonna be delicious. And I'm gonna enjoy my cake. So let's get busy. Let me show y'all the ingredients and let me make my birthday cake, y'all. I made 46. All right, like I say, today is my birthday. I'm about to make my own birthday cake. Chocolate Barry Chantilly. So in my mixing bowl right here, I'm about to sift in 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. So this is 3.5 cups of flour that I've measured out. And let's sift it in here. To that flour, let's add 1.5 cup of Hershey's cocoa powder. So we're gonna sift 1.5 cup of Hershey's cocoa powder. Right, let's sift in 4 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. I guess y'all saying why so much? Because I'm doubling this recipe because I want to make my cake in an 8x8 cake pan. All right, so sift in that. All right. Also, let's go ahead and sift in 4 cups of granulated sugar. Okay. 4 cups of sugar. And this is going to be it for your dry. Okay, let's stir and combine this all together. This is an all-based buttermilk cake. So, combine all this, and we're just about to add all of the wet to it. So just follow me. As you know, I will write this in my description on the measurements. Even though I call all the measurements out. Okay. There we go. Wash my hands, and I will be back. All right, till you're dry, add in 4 large eggs. Okay. 1 cup of vegetable oil. And what is this right here? Add your 2 cups of buttermilk. Okay, so let's mix this together right quick for about 2 minutes. This is going to be a very thin batter. Add 2 cups of instant coffee. Coffee enhances your chocolate flavor. And let's also add in 4 teaspoons of 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay. And I'm doing a little extra. I am adding some amaretto. So I want to add about I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of a little alcohol, a little cherry almond amaretto. 1. This is optional. 2. All right. Let's mix this all together. Here is the chocolate buttermilk batter. See right there? Very thin. Okay, right here is my 8x8 cake pans. I got them greased with some flour. I'm sorry, I got it greased with some shortening and some flour. And I'm going to put some parchment paper at the bottom. Cut some parchment paper. Okay, just like that. This here. Put this in here. It'll be easy to get up out of here when it's time for them to. Okay. All right. I want the same amount of batter in each pan, so I got my 1 cup measuring cup. And let's start off with 1 cup. I'll let y'all know how many cups I put in each pan. Okay. All right, there they go. Shake them. We're gonna put them in the oven between 35 and 40 minutes. And see you when they come out. All right, coming through. They've been in there for 40 minutes. Look at that, y'all. Let me see. Where the other one is? Right here. Oh, I need me a bigger rack. See that? They've been there for 40 minutes. Let's do the toothpick test. Yeah. Stick it in there. Come out clean. All right, y'all. Gotta let them cool off for 10 minutes. Then we're gonna take them and put them on the cooling rack. Meanwhile, let's make the chocolate chantilly frosting with the whipped cream, the chocolate, the mascarpone cheese, and the cream cheese, and some flavoring. All right, they've been cooling for about 10 minutes. Now, take it. Let's go right. Flip it over. Look at there. Look at there. See there? Look at that. So put it on the cooling rack. And we're going to let this cool for about 20 minutes. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let them finish cooling off. Okay? All right. In your bowl, put 16 ounces of cold cream cheese. So this 8 ounces right here. Let's take all this paper off. That's 8 right there. And there's 16 right here. So 2 blocks of 8-ounce cream cheese packages. So that's 16 ounces of cream cheese. Add 16 ounces of mascarpone cheese. Okay. This is going to make a lot of frosting, y'all, but it's going to be a thick cake. Okay, that's 8. So here makes 16. In the cream cheese and the mascarpone cheese, I'm gonna sift in 3/4 cups of cocoa powder. Sift that in. And I'm going to sift in 2 cups of confectioner's sugar. And I'm putting me a pinch of salt in there. Maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Okay. Oh, excuse me, y'all. Mix on slow for about 1 minute. Let's put in about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And let's put in about 2 teaspoons of almond. All right. Let's continue mixing slowly. Let's sift in a 1/3 cup of confectioner's sugar. Mix that in. Okay. All right, I put 1 more cup of confectioner's sugar, which made it 4 cups. And look how creamy that is. So you want to put this back in the refrigerator, let it stay cold. Now we're going to work on the heavy whipping cream to make whipped cream. And we're going to fold the whipped cream into this and let it chill. And the cake is in the refrigerator chilling. We got the berries in the refrigerator, and we'll be putting this together. All right. All right. Let's make it. I've had this glass, my glass mixing bowl in the freezer for about 30 minutes. And I have my beaters and my whisks in the freezer too. So you want to start with cold. You want everything cold. I just took the heavy whipping cream out the refrigerator. Yeah, I'm doing all this on my birthday. That's something. Okay. So, I'm going to put 4 cups of heavy whipping cream in this bowl. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That is 4. Okay. Add your whisk attachment. Now, let's mix this for a few minutes, 3 or 4 minutes until we get some peaks. Then we'll add some extract and some powdered sugar. Start off slow. Okay, when it gets to this state right here, it look kind of frosty. Go ahead and add you some vanilla extract. We're gonna just add about 1.5 teaspoons. Okay, let's mix. Okay, this state right here. You see it's about to turn into heavy whipped cream. Add you 1 cup. Add 1 cup of powdered sugar. So let's whisk that in there. It's best to use powdered sugar. You can use granulated sugar too, but powdered sugar is much finer. It'll dissolve faster. Okay. Now let's go in. Make some stiff peaks. This is going to stabilize it. All right, there we go. See? Now we got stiff peaks. Look at that. That's how you want it right there. Now, get the cream cheese mixture out the refrigerator. All right. Let's fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese. This is going to be your chocolate Chantilly frosting. So I want to take my spatula and just fold it in. And I want to deflate my whipped cream. So just fold it in. The next thing you will see is the cake being assembled. I think I'm going to call my niece right quick so she can help me decorate this cake. All right, see y'all in a few minutes. There you go, y'all. Look how silky and smooth and creamy this is. So I'm about to put it in the refrigerator so it can stay cold till I get ready to frost in the cake. Let me get the rest of my food together. All right. Let's get this cake together. So on my thing right here, I'm about to put some ice in it right there in the middle. And that's going to hold my cake like glue, of course. So that's too much right there. So, okay, we're gonna lay our first layer of cake right here on top. Make sure I'm centered like that and press it down. And next we're going to put, I got some strawberry compote to put on top of this. All right, first layer, and here go our my raspberry compote. So I'm just gonna take it and brush it on there. So I took some raspberry jam, mixed it with a little water. All right, my niece finna take over and do the rest for me while I get busy. So this is the first layer with the berries and the compote and the icing. We'll put the second layer on there. All right, this is the second layer. About to put the third layer and decorate it. All righty. All right, y'all, here go the final video of this Barry Chantilly cake. So when y'all see me later, y'all see me eating it. Look at that. My sister and my niece decorated for me. Happy 46 to me. Bye, y'all. Hey, y'all, what's up? Did y'all see me make my birthday cake? Yes. 46 feels so good. This is so good. My sister and niece decorated for me because I didn't have time. If I would have decorated, it would have been too plain and simple. And I had a lot of cooking to do. So, happy birthday to me. I'm going to post how I made this cake. And see y'all later. Gotta go. Bye, y'all. God bless.